respected HM sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I stand here with a very heavy heart. You know why? Because some places do not remain just places, they become a part of who we are. I still remember my very first day in the school, 1st July 2024. I walked in quietly with nervous steps. I thought that I might never belong to this place or I may remain invisible. But KV Misamari proved all my assumptions wrong. It became a place which didn't just allow me to sit, but to breathe, to grow, and to become. And today, with deep gratitude, I wish to thank those who shaped my journey, not just as a student, but as a good human being. So, first and foremost, I will begin with my constant, my forever favorite, Aishwarya ma'am. She always pulled my cheeks, hugged me, called me a rabbit, and she knew all my strengths and weaknesses. She always stood by me, and no matter what. But there was a criteria that you have to be honest. And today I have to confess that earlier I didn't like geography at all. I hated it. But it was ma'am's way of teaching that made me fall in love with geography. And today, standing here, I can think of even pursuing it in my future. And that's not a coincidence. That's a magic of teaching. Next, Fulkhan ma'am. I was really very weak at Hindi. I didn't knew grammar at all. I used to do silly mistakes, and I used to tell ma'am that ma'am, I don't think I can score good marks. But ma'am used to stand by me and say, Ankita, tum kar sakti ho, and you have to become the head girl. And I want to see your name in the board of honor. And thank you, ma'am, for correcting me when I was wrong. And next, Rekha ma'am, very special one. Thank you for always appreciating my writing skills, loving me so much, and I learned a very beautiful thing from her, the art of balancing things. And thank you ma'am very much for always supporting me and always motivating me that Ankita, you can and we will work hard together. She never said that you have to work hard. She told me that we will work hard together. Thank you to Subhankar sir for all your values and all your tips and tricks that you told us to use in political science and always teaching us like a big brother. And thank you to Sachin sir. Thank you to Sachin sir for giving us those valuable history classes, and your songs were really very beautiful with the guitar. And thank you Kamal sir. You are a really sweet human being. Your sweetness, your song are really unforgettable. Thank you to Shivdayal sir. He always motivated me with his motivational lines, and I think I will carry them along with me even after school ends. Thank you to Satya ma'am for making the library so safe place and for listening to our all the complaints and queries all day long. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you to Sumit sir, and I'll always remember your support and your guidance and your the values that you have inculcated in me during the practice of youth parliament and all. Thank you to our yoga ma'am, Ruby ma'am. Thank you to Khushbu ma'am, Shweta ma'am a lot for all your efforts. Thank you to Sunita ma'am, Pathania sir, Sharad sir. And thank you to HM sir for always motivating me, Madan sir, and all the teachers who are present here. Akshay sir, yeah. Thank you Akshay sir for decorating our schools with so beautiful paintings and all. Wait. Thank you to Pramila ma'am, thank you to Gaurav sir for always, giving us free period in WE. Thank you to Palak ma'am and all the teachers. If I miss the name, that doesn't mean that I don't love you all. I love you all. And now the thank you to Kanteshwar sir. And now the most important presence of my journey. He's not present here today. I think all of you can guess it. Principal sir. I am getting emotional, but he saw light in Ankita when Ankita didn't saw it, and he was really like a lighthouse for me. When hardships embraced me, he stood by my side and he told me that Ankita, don't take so much stress. Let life flow like a river, and things get we many times we overthink about things, but we suffer more in our imagination than in our reality. And please convey my message to sir that he is a really bestest of best principal, sir, and he is also a very good human being. The school, the school has also gifted me really very good friends. We shared laughter, lunch boxes, secrets, disagreements, humanities, science, commerce, all with one family. We fought a lot, we did disargued a lot, but at the end of the day, all of us were one family. There was unity in diversity. And one thing that has stolen my heart was that whenever I needed them, no matter they are from science, commerce or arts, they stood by me and they supported me. Ankita, hum tumhare saath hai. I know institutions move forward, but I humbly request that please keep a small space for me in your heart always. And with your blessings, I promise to work forward and make you all proud one day. And and one thing that we were all called the naughtiest batch of the school to ever walk on these corridors. But if you gently peep into our heart, you will find only lots of respect and love for our teachers and students. Yes, we did many mistakes, but that doesn't define us. We really love you all a lot, and I can make it. I can surely say this that even if just for a single day. After so much hectic routine also, you will definitely miss us. And one day, today I am promising from here that one day, no matter how long and I don't know how, when or what, but one day I'll truly return to this very stage, not just as a student, but as a chief guest. Thank you. Have a nice day.